Hello guys, welcome to Plus Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. The governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, has stated that people are working behind the scenes concerning the arrest and trial of Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. The governor made this known while addressing the press at the polling unit 019 Ward 08 Ikoyi 2, where he cast his votes during the local government area's election on Saturday. Punch Online was live at the venue, and the correspondent on ground asked the governor about the presumed silence of Southwest governors on the arrest of Igboho. In response, the governor explained that people are working behind the scenes, stating that the case doesn't have to be a public conversation. These are very difficult times for all of us. I can assure you that people are working behind the scenes. At occasions like this, it's not by how many press people you call. I'm aware that a lot of people have responses that they are doing quietly and privately, and it doesn't have to be a public conversation. It was earlier reported that the 48-year-old activist was arrested on Monday, July 19, 2021 by the International Criminal Police Organization in Cotonou, Republic of Benin. Igboho was arrested with his chairman-based wife, Rokpo, at the airport while they reportedly tried to catch a flight to Germany around 8 p.m. on Monday, 5 days after the arrest and planned extradition of Yoruba Nation agitator. The 6 governors in the southwest geopolitical zone of Nigeria have kept mum over the matter. The governors are Rotimi Akeredolu, Kayode Fayemi, Gboyega Oyetola, Seyi Makinde, Dapo Abiodun, and Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Efforts to get the comments of Akeredolu, who is the chairman of Southwest Governors Forum, proved abortive, as the Ondo State Commissioner for Information and Orientation, Donald Ojugo, neither took several calls to his line nor replied a text message sent to his line by our correspondent.
Ìgbésẹ̀ yẹn tó yẹ pé ó máa jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn wa kọ́ mọ̀ pé bó ṣe yẹ kó rí nìyẹn o, pé láti jáde báyìí lẹ́ǹkan lóṣù mẹ́rin la gbọ́dọ̀ wá fi bóyá àfọwọ́sí àbá àfọwọ́sí àgbọ́dọ̀ wá fi wọn fún déndé gbogbo àkàrí àdẹ̀rí pé bí àwọn tí mo ti gbọ́ ẹ̀ ń lọ wọ́rọ́wọ́rọ́ ni mo máa kọ̀ túbà pé káwọn èèyàn ti jáde sí pé kó ba lè ṣe ojúṣe wọn á dẹ̀ ṣe é ṣe fún gbogbo wa.
Sir, one last one, sir. Away from elections, sir, and the road. People feel the Southwest governors have been a little quiet about the travels of Mr. Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. Do you share a similar opinions, or you think those opinions are in the minority?
Well, I mean, these are very difficult times for all of us, right? And I can assure you that people are working behind the scenes. You know, at events like this, at occasions like this, it's not how many press people you call that needs to you know. But I'm aware that a lot of people have, you know, responses that they're doing quietly and privately, and it doesn't have to be in a public conversation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right, we just finished speaking with the governor of Lagos.
Also, the Oni of Ife, Oba Enitan Ogunwusi, on Thursday formed a committee to look into Sunday Igboho's situation. The 28-member think tank comprises prominent individuals from the southwest. They will monitor Igboho's arraignment in Benin Republic, the moves to extradite him to Nigeria, and likely prosecution. The team is expected to provide updates to the Oni as events unfold, offer counsels, meditate with the Yoruba Nation agitators legal team, and interface with Nigerian and Beninese authorities. The list includes the Olugbon of Igbon Oba Olushola Alao, Senator Biodun Olujimi, Toyin Saraki, Segun Awolowo, Doyin Okupe, Otunba Gbenga Daniel, Prince Oyewumi, Muyiwa Ige, General Olu Okunowo, DIG Taiwo Lakano retired, Shola Ebisini Afenifere Secretary, Jimmy Agbaje, Shola Lawal, Debola Oluwagbayi, Dupe Adelaja, Dele Momodu, Senator Tolu Odebiyi, Dr. Olusegun Mimiko, Dr. Seun Obasanjo, Makin Soyinka, Dele Adesina San, AIG Tunji Alapene retired, Ruben Abati, Eniola Bello, Bimbo Ashiru, Senator Tokunbo Ogunbanjo, Dapo Adelegan, Professor Akin Oshuntokun. Sunday Igboho will return to the court to appeal the Cotonou in Benin Republic on Monday. He risks 21 years imprisonment over the doctored Beninese passport he tendered to immigration officers while trying to flee via the country to Germany.